How to order a card on the Wise app. If you would like to order a card on the Wise app, it is very simple because you can order a debit card. In order to order a Wise debit card, open up the Wise application, right? So just launch the Wise app and make sure to log into your account, where you can see on the bottom left an option called account. So you can just tap on the account option. Right when you do that, here you'll see personal account. Here you can see a pop-up that says order your card. So that's exactly what you want to do. You want to tap on order your card option. On the next page you'll see get a debit card for 5 GBP. No subscription needed. This is a one-time fee to cover cost. Spend in 150 plus currencies, start spending instantly, and withdraw from ATMs anywhere. So you can just hit the order card option, confirm your delivery and shipping location, and the card will be shipped to you. And there's only the first initial fee depending upon your region. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can order a card on the Wise app. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.